Skew symmetric matrices. Let A is a matrix with element aij and order m by n is said to be a symmetric matrix if transpose of matrix A is equal to the negative of matrix A. Let's consider an example of a skew symmetric matrix. Let A is a matrix with element 0, 7, 2, negative 7, 0, negative 2, negative 2, 2, 0. Let's find the transpose of matrix A. So A dash is equal to transpose of matrix A, which is right here. If you remember, when we find the transpose of a matrix, we interchange rows into columns. Our first row will become our first column. So our first row is 0, 7, 2, which is our first column. Second row is negative 0, negative 2, that is a second column. And third row is negative 2, 2, 0, that is a third column. As you can see, that is equal to negative of this matrix. This negative is out over here. Negative 2 was also negative, so it's right here. In the same way, when we take the negative out, we'll get negative outside and only this matrix is left over. If you look closely, you will find out that this is exactly the matrix A. So A dash is equal to negative of matrix A. One piece of information we should remember that for any square matrix A, if we find the difference of matrix and transpose of the matrix, then the resulted matrix will be a skew symmetric matrix.